What's up, everyone? Welcome back to California Survival. I got something really awesome today. Hard work pays off. I got me a brand new jackhammer. Okay, this is the Extreme Power 35 pounds demolition hammer, and this is gonna be totally awesome. I need this for a lot of different things around here digging. It's all rocky. There's giant rocks everywhere you dig, so you gotta bust them apart. I paid for this jackhammer exclusively using all money generated by my Sage Bundle sales. So thank you so much to everyone who has supported those sales. And check out my Etsy account if you want to order one online. So here is the label listed on the box. This one has a first impression right off the bat is that it's made in China, but that's what you're gonna get unless you're willing to spend $500 to $800 to $1,000 or more on one. This jackhammer was the next level up from the basic one that this company makes. Alright, so I ordered this from the Home Depot. That's my go-to store. I found their prices to be, cheaper than other hardware stores around. So chances are, if you're looking to pick one of these up, they probably don't have it in stock. You'll have to order it, ship it to the store, and pick it up later. But that's all fine and dandy. So this will be my first unboxing here. This thing comes in a pretty solid case. As I said before, this one has more impacts per minute than the entry one. The entry one I think costs like 140, 150. This one costs 180. So the entry one is I think 45 pounds, and this one level up, this one's 35 pounds. So you're getting more impacts, less weight, so it should be easier to work with. Alright, let's open it up, see what we got. This is all new to me too. Alright, cool. So, looks like we got a really flimsy pair of goggles that'll probably protect me from some dirt. Not much in terms of shrapnel. These are some pretty thin gloves, but the palm's pretty thick. These will be nice on hot days. Keep you cool. You don't want gloves too thick. What else do we got in here? Of course, we got the jackhammer. Got a little dust mask for the Rona. I'm gonna cross that out and put Rona mask on it. Okay, here we go. We got a standard flat bit right there. Chisel bit, I believe it's called. Some directions, couple little springs, magnet looking thing, a bottle, no oil. I hope it came oil, because as you can see right here on the box says ready to go. So if it doesn't have oil in it or with it, then this box shouldn't say ready to go, but we'll determine what's going on with that. There's clearly no oil in this bottle. Got a little hex key. This is probably for the bits. Let's check it out. This thing's pretty solid. If you're looking to get a jackhammer on a budget, you're going to be looking at something like this right here. This single handled, where it has like a rotating handle and it has a handle here in the back. This switch right here. When you engage the mechanism, it'll lock it down so you can continuously jackhammer without having to hold that down. It'll release when you pull off of it. So first impressions, it looks pretty solid. We got some silicone, kinda, you know, that could have been scraped off. It's coming right off. Just some little silicone tailings, I guess. Flip it around. This is where you go ahead and put oil in. Let me see if it has oil. So it does have some oil in there. So I guess it is ready to go. I'm not sure how much is supposed to be in there. Yeah. So do have a scratch in the paint. I mean, if you care about scratching your tools, then you're probably not using them right anyway. So that's not really an issue. I'd say all in all, it looks pretty good. The reviews were pretty good on this thing. Extreme Power US, 35 pounds. So we're gonna fire this baby up pretty soon here and show you how it works. So far so good. I'm happy. So it did come with 2 bits, and this is the second one. We got a really pointy 4-sided spike bit. So I'll try to get this thing on in there. I believe that's how it goes. You rotate it and it slides out. Pull back, rotate it, lock it in. That way it can move up and down. Alright. But we'll read the instructions just to make sure, you know, there's not any special little things we gotta do before we fire this bad boy up. So I've been working in this hole off and on for a few weeks because I got these bigger rocks that are giving me a hard time. As you can see, I drilled through that one. And well, you know, we got all kinds of animals and critters out here and whatnot. And just today I come out here and turn the water on. And there's this hole dug in between the rock, this soft rock that I'm breaking through right here, and this harder rock. So this is the softer one that we started breaking through with the sledgehammer pickaxe and then moved on to the jackhammer. This is a harder rock I'm chipping away at. It's giving me a little bit more trouble. And then I have the Alice in Wonderland tunnel right here. Now I just poured like a bunch of water down here, probably, I don't know, couple gallons at least, maybe more, maybe up to 5. And the water just keeps disappearing. So I'm kind of like wondering, where's it going? I really hope a white rabbit doesn't come out of this hole and start talking to me and whatnot. But yeah, now I guess I'm kind of worried that, because I'm going to be running this pipe right across this newly founded hole. So maybe I'll put a rat trap right here. See if I could catch anything. Just hope that they don't mess my pipe up once I get it in the ground and bury this thing. Alright, so I was just walking up the hill here to water my plant. And I found this egg. Looks like it's probably a bird egg. As you can see, it's kind of speckled. She's laying out here in the open on the ground. Looks like it's got a scratch on it. But yeah, really cool. If you have any idea what it is, let me know. Tell me what you think it is. And maybe I'll just set it over somewhere and see if it hatches. Maybe it's a snake egg? I doubt it. It looks like a bird egg. But how it got out here in the middle of the ground, I'm not sure. So we'll go put it over here. See if it hatches, or you know, just something cool that I came across.